Mũnyinyi wa mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa Jubilee Ndagĩtarĩ Fred Okengo Matiang'i nĩ amũrĩkĩte thirikari nĩ ũndũ wa ũrĩa ĩhũthĩrĩirie mũbango wa marĩhi ma gĩthomo, akiuga thirikari nĩ ĩkĩrĩire itherũ harĩ gũkinyanĩria gĩthomo gĩtarĩ marĩhi.
Capitation to schools, especially day schools. By the time we left government, we had crossed the 22,000 mark. Now you're reducing it by nearly 50%. You are now talking about 12,000. Obviously, when schools open in January, the kids who are going to day schools are going to have to pay fees. Who's going to pay the fees? The same parents who are struggling with SHA, the same parents who are struggling with the housing levy, the same parents who are struggling. I mean, are we serious, honestly? And this is an issue we can sort out very easily by, number one, cutting wastage in government. You know, we have an opulent, wasteful government, big offices, big titles, big people, you know. I don't know how many tons of advisors who will be earning salaries, big jobs and so on. We behave as if we are a developed country.
Atongoria a kĩama gĩkĩ morotete thirikari nĩ gũkuithia Kenya mũrigo mũritũ wa magoti, na igũrũ wamo thirikari no ĩrendekithia aciari kũrĩha bithi ya thukuru, o rĩrĩ thirikari ĩbatiĩ kũnyihia mahũthĩro mayo na gũbanga mĩtaratara ya ũrĩa mabatiĩ gũkinyanĩria tabarĩra kũrĩ mũingĩ.
You find a way of saving resources and putting them on the criticals. The criticals in this society are education, health, and then from there, security. So you look at how you can mop up resources and put them in the criticals. So this is not the time when you have a truckload of advisors, everybody who's, you know, collect every political stillborn and make them something. And we call them what, you know, so on. Then in the process, you are paying them money, they are driving around government money and so on and so forth. Then people are flying around the country in jobbers and so on, telling, oh, you know, empowerment.
Gĩikaro-inĩ kĩngĩ mũtongoria wa kĩama kĩa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka nake nĩ amũrĩkĩte atongoria a gĩtarũ kĩa Afrika na kuga matikoretwo magĩkinyanĩria ũrũmwe na ũtheremu wa gĩtarũ gĩkĩ.
He led protests across Africa against bad governance, against corruption, impunity, lack of transparency, electoral fraud, and rising living costs. It's a powerful testament to a new generation rising.
Kalonzo ũrĩa ũnyitanĩire na atongoria angĩ arĩa makoretwo makĩrũĩrĩra ihoto na ũrũmwe wa gĩtarũ kĩa Afrika University-inĩ ya Kenya atũgĩrĩtie amwe ya atongoria a tene a gĩtarũ gĩkĩ gũkũ akiuha arĩa marĩ wathani-inĩ kũnina ungumania na ũhũthĩri mũũru wa ũtonga wa bũrũri ĩndĩ mathingatithie maũndũ marĩa maraguna mũingĩ wa gĩtarũ gĩkĩ.
Raila's Pan-Africanism was never merely ideological, it was a way of life. For decades, he championed African unity, economic cooperation, and leadership that prioritizes people. He believed passionately that Africa must speak with one voice and that our continent's future depends on our ability to stand together.
Hakĩrĩ ũguo atongoria aya no mathiĩte na mbere kuha kamĩtĩ ya mĩhaka na ithurano IEBC gũkuhĩrĩria arĩa marenda kwĩyandĩkithia ta aikia a kura.
Where the centers where most of our young people are found, universities, colleges, you know, polytechnics, MTCs and so on. These should be registration centers. That's what we should do. The IBC should have these mobile registration points going to where our young people are. That's how you mop up these numbers and register them.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Charles Gĩkunga wa Kariũki.